Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Kawakami Fumihiro, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Japan to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which His Majesty the Emperor of Japan has addressed to Your Excellency, crediting me as the Ambassador of Japan to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor. I have further the honor to convey to Your Excellency His Majesty the Emperor's well wishes and hope of strengthening friendship between Japan and Fiji. I also convey the Emperor's heartfelt sympathies for the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I am very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most sincerely on behalf of government, all the people of Fiji, and wish your government, the people of Japan, His Majesty, well and very successful future, and continued peace and prosperity. Thank you. And with the sympathy of COVID-19, and we talk about you know our feelings about it. And everybody have themselves. Of our condolences, sympathies. Congratulations, Ambassador.
These are the small replica. The big ones out there, when you go out, you see, you beat the drum to call people. Meeting, wedding.
3. On my count. 1, 2, 3.
Now,